Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the Yaomiao 16-pack collapsible food storage containers with lid, featuring a versatile set of 8 rectangular and 8 round silicone bowls in stylish gray and blue. These containers are perfect for storing food and reheating leftovers, offering a nice combination of 4 sets with 16 pieces in total, including both round and square shapes to meet your daily use and replacement needs. Each set comes in 4 different sizes: 12 ounces, 17 ounces, 27 ounces, and 40.6 ounces, making them ideal for storing everything from lunch and cereal to salads, fruits, and leftovers, all while keeping your food fresh. Made from high-quality, safe, and odorless silicone, these collapsible bowls are reusable, easy to clean, and can be used in the microwave, refrigerator, and dishwasher, though remember not to heat the lid in the microwave. Designed to be collapsible and stackable, these containers are space-saving, folding down to just 1/3 of their original height, making them easy to store without cluttering your kitchen or cabinets. The quality sealing ring, along with the leak-proof and dust-proof buckle, ensures your food stays fresh, whether you're using them for kitchen storage or taking them on outdoor adventures like camping, hiking, or family picnics. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, these versatile containers are also great as lunchboxes for children or office workers, making them a must-have addition to your kitchen and travel essentials. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.